It's cherry blossom season, the rain is coming and going, and I'm in Northwest Washington, D.C. at 1355 Longfellow, Northwest Washington, D.C. And I have a $1.45 million house that I'm excited to show you. Come on in. Double doors into this modern, luxurious home. Because I have manners, I'm gonna go ahead and shut that door for you real quick. You're my guest, and I wanna make sure you feel comfy. All right. These gorgeous, muted wooden floors, no shellac, no satin. This is literally muted matte tones. Absolutely beautiful. And look at all this space. Gorgeous contrasted cabinets. Now, usually the details, I'm gonna give you a few because your eyes need to make sure you can pay attention to them. So first, contrast it, because the kitchen is a work of art. Single slab tile across the backsplash. Not multiple small stones, one large, big tiles, 5-burner push range. And then the handles. Do you see them on the cabinets? No, there they go, right there. Nice and discreet, because the intent is to give minimalism and art without trying too hard. Gorgeous, come on in. I feel like I've stepped into a mid-century modern home. I'm like, it's 1970 with the wicker chairs and things. I want some music jamming and things of that nature. But come on into the sitting room. And look who we have here. There he is, my lovely and my bodyguard. We also have a bedroom on the main level. So there is a whole bedroom that can fit any size bed, but they decided to go for a queen. But also it is paired with an ensuite bathroom as well. Go ahead and check that out. Now your half bath is gonna be located right here on the left, but I'm gonna go ahead and take you upstairs first. So I'm gonna take you directly to that owner suite, but before I do, we have 2 bedrooms on this side. And before we get there, they also feed into a bathroom in the hallway. Go ahead and check that out real quick. All right, the room, the owner's suite, the primary suite. Take her in. A gorgeous king-size bed, room for a sitting room. Did I mention that I'm in Washington, D.C.? Look at all of this living space. Let me stand up so you can get the scale of the room. Gorgeous, plenty of space, plenty of walking space, and it's paired with a full bath. And then also, imagine summertime, Washington, D.C., and you have all of this space to enjoy. The wind blew all the pillows to and fro. I promised, I organized it for you, and then the wind took it all. But it's absolutely gorgeous. This is off of your primary suite. Go ahead and take a look at that bathroom real quick. Gorgeous. Come on down to that basement. Now we have other places to go. Plenty of space for entertaining. But you know what I really like about this space? This could be a secondary suite, because upstairs also has a washer and dryer. So you could actually have living up there, but also secondary living down here. So for anyone who's turning it into an income generating property, this has the option. Let me tell you why. Because it also has your wet bar, has your washer and dryer, but it also has your secondary entrance right here as well. Now, let me show you. We have our bathroom, full, well, excuse me, half. And then, this is our primary suite downstairs in the basement. And we have our full bath right here. Beautiful and gorgeous. Now on the exterior of the house, I'm gonna let Carlos take you there. I'm gonna let Carlos take you there, but on the exterior of the house, it also comes with its own parking, another deck off of the kitchen and bed and living levels, and also it has a front beautiful yard that faces the street. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll let you go ahead and check that out. All right, let's find a place to end this video. Come on upstairs. All right, I think this is as good as any. Plenty of light, maybe around here. This feels good. This feels good. Plenty of light. Okay, good. All right, so like I said, this is 1355 Longfellow in Northwest Washington, D.C. Priced at $1.45 million, and it is 5 beds, 6 baths, and 3,100 square feet. If you want to know more, you know exactly what to do. You can reach out to me directly by going in the description box below. And you can also, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more gorgeous home tours, more home buying insights, because we are always coming out with videos on Thursday and on Sunday. Well, until next time, my name is Amanda, and I'll see you soon. Bye.